Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's video is about the use of insert menu. So let's start. You can see at the upper side of the status bar next to the home key there's an insert key. You can see the use of home key in my previous video. So in today's video I will focus more about the use of insert tab or insert menu. So let's start. So first of all, I'll open this Word document. At the left hand side in the insert menu or the tab key, the first tab is cover page. If you select at the cover page, you will see there are number of templates available. You can select either this one. This is one of the template. You can use it uh, as a cover page for your document, maybe for your assignment, maybe for your book, maybe for your research work, or whatever you want. You can see if I click on the cover page, there are number of templates available. This is another template. This is another template. This is another template. You can change this picture, or you can add abstract from your work, or you can change the title of the document by clicking over here. If I want to change the title of this document, I will write Cecil Consulting. So you can see it is changed like that. Or if you want any template from the office.com website, you can click on this tab and you will see there are number of templates available. So this is the use of the cover page. So if I move to the next point, which is blank page, if you want, so this is already a blank page, but if I move here, if you need a blank page, you can click on the blank page button. So a new blank page will appear. Or if you want a page break, for page break, you need to write something at your Word document. Let me copy it from my other document. Copy. I will paste here by using home key. So now I have a document in front of me. Let's say I can give this document a heading of conclusion, and the next paragraph is about policy recommendations. From the home key, I'll bold and highlight it for your ease. Now I want a page break, or I want conclusion on different page and policy recommendations on the different page. So instead of using this enter key and you will move to the next page, you can use this insert key by clicking on page break. So I'll move my cursor over here and I'll click on page break. You can see after conclusion, my policy recommendation page is moved to another page. So this is the use of the page break. Now the next tab in insert menu is the table. If you click on the table, you can see there are number of rows and columns available in the table form. Let's see, by default it has 10 into 8 table. So if you need 10 into 8, or if you need less than that, you can select by clicking on that tab. The next one is insert table. You can insert it by giving your choice. Let's say I need 5 rows or 6 rows, so you can increase or decrease from here. Let's say I need 6 columns and I need 5 rows. I will check this fixed column width. It will select automatically. I'll click on OK. So here you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So the next one is draw table. If you want to draw a table at your own, you can draw like that. You can draw like that. Whatever design you want, you can draw your table at your own choice. The next one is Excel spreadsheet. If you want a table like Excel spreadsheet, you will click on Excel spreadsheet. So it will appear like Excel spreadsheet. So you can write here like serial number, name, class, or whatever you want to type. 1, 2, 3, 4, name of the students, Saira, Ali, Usman, Rimsha, and whatever class you want to add. So this is the use of the Excel sheet. It will appear like that. The next one is quick tables. If you want a quick table, you can click this. So there are the different styles available from the quick table. Let's say I want this calendar. I will click on calendar. So this calendar will appear like that. Or if you want more quick tables, like if we have this thing, so enrollment in local colleges in 2005, this table will appear like that. So you can use it from different layouts like this one or this one, or there are different layouts available or the different table styles available. Whatever style you like, you can select from here. You can select from here, or if you want shading or if you want to change color, you can select from here. If you want to change your border style, you can select from here whatever border style you want. So there are different border styles available. If you want all borders, it will appear like that. Or if I want style like that, it will appear to all border. So whatever border style you like, it will change. Or if you want your pen color, it will be changed into a red color. So you can change it whatever color you want to use. Or if you want in blue color, it will display in blue. So there are the different border styles. You can select from here. So The next one is, if you want to insert any picture, so you will click on picture. It will take you to your saved pictures in your computer. Let's say I have this screenshot. I will click on that, then I will insert. So this picture will insert like that. Or again, any of the picture, like this picture. So you can resize these pictures, either a small or a big picture, or maybe a full size, a full page size picture, whatever you want, you can select it. The next one is, if you need any picture online, you can select this button, which is online. It will take you to any online website. Let's say I have this Bing image search. Let's say if I ask him MS Word, so let's see how it will work. So give me lots of MS Word pictures. Let's say I have selected this picture. I will click on insert. So it gave me picture from online resource. So this is the use of online resource. The next one is about the shapes. If you want to draw any shape, you will click on the shapes and this arrow key. You can see there are lots of templates available, whatever shapes you want. If you want to draw a text box, you can draw. I will write my company name over here, Cecil Consulting. I can change it to different word styles. You can change from here. There are different styles available. From home key, you can resize its font size. Or let's say if you want an arrow sign, you can select from here. Or again from shapes, if you need the star sign, you can. Or if you need any other shape like this arrow will appear. Or if you want to change its color, you can change from shape styles. You can change it to any style like green color. You can shape fill by clicking on any color, like I want blue color. Or shape outline, let's say I want red outline, so it will change it to like that. Or let's say we can change this star shape outline, the red outline shape will appear. If you want to give a shape effect, let's say, you can select from shadows. If you want to select inner or outer side, let's say I want inside left, so you can see inside left its shapes has been changed. So you can use whatever shape style you want. Or from here, if you want to bring it forward, it will bring to forward or bring backward. If you want a 5 point right arrow, it will be like that. Or if you want to select on picture. So the next one is, I'll move on the next page. So the next key is smart art. The smart art is used if you want a hierarchy of any of the organization or any of the company. You can choose from the list, from the process, from the cycles, from the hierarchy. If you want to show a relationship, you can click on the relationships. You can see there are number of styles available. If you want to choose from matrix, you can select from here. If you want a pyramid, it will be like that. If you want from pictures, you can select from these pictures, or if you want from office.com website, you can select from here. So let's say I'll take you to the hierarchy. I need this type of hierarchy. I'll click on that. I'll click on OK. So here, let's say we have CEO of the organization, then we have director, and then we have assistant HR, then we have assistant IT, and then we have assistant finance. You can change colors from by clicking this button. Here you can see if you need multiple colors, you can select from these templates. Or if you want to change your style, you can click from here. If you want this style, maybe this one, maybe this style, or if you log, you want this style, or whatever the style you want, you can select from here. Or if you want this layout, maybe this layout, maybe this layout. So whatever layout you like, you can select from here. Now the next tab is about the chart. If you want to show a chart like in column shape, inline shape, pie chart, bar graph, area, scatter, stocks, surface, radar, tree map, sunburst, histogram, box whisker, waterfall, or the combo, you will select from here. So if I click on OK, it will give me a chart here. So it gives me a random chart because I didn't give data to them. So you can give data by putting values into the this Excel table. So this was all about uh, bar chart. I don't need footer right now. I'll move to the next. The next button is screenshot because I already have screenshots in my computer. So if you need any screenshot, you can take a screenshot and save it to your computer, and then you can select over here. Like I have this screenshot, so I can paste it like that. And the next button is store. You can select add-ins from the store. Let's say you need anything from education. So there are number of apps will appear like Wikipedia, RefWork. Let's say I'll add Wikipedia. I'll add continue. Wikipedia will appear. If I write something like MS Word, it will give me a text like that. So you can copy it from here and paste it like that. So this was the use of screenshot. and you can select from my add-ins. Let's say I've already add in symbols and characters. Let's say if you want any emoticons, you can select whatever emoticon you like. Let's say this Unicode. Let me change its size to 72. This emoticon will appear. Let's say if you like this one, or this one. So you can select whatever you want. So there are number of emoticons available in symbols. So you need to add in office add-ons. So the next tab in insert is the online video. If you want any online video, so let's say I have my YouTube channel. So this insert video window will appear. I will click on Cecil Consulting and I'll click enter. So I'll select any of the video, then I'll select insert. So this is my one of the video thumbnail. So it will appear like that. Again, you can change the picture style from here, or if you want to change your picture border, you can select from here whatever border you like. Let's say I want purple border, so you can see the purple border will appear. If you want shadow effect, so the shadow effect will appear. If you want any other layout, let's say I want this layout, so there are number of layouts available. You can select different styles and different layouts from here, or if you want from here, so there are number of layouts available. So the next one is hyperlink. The hyperlink tab is used if you want a quick link in your document for quick access to web page and files. So you can click on hyperlink. You need to type like MS Word tips and tricks. It will create hyperlink for you. So you can see it created a hyperlink for me. So if I click on that, you can see control plus click. So it will take me to a link. So the next one is bookmark. If you want to bookmark it, you can add, it will bookmark for you. Or if you want cross reference will use if you want to refer to a specific place in your document, such as headings, figures, or tables. So this will use for your document, or if you want to link a hyperlink with your cross reference. The next one is comment. If you want to give any comment in your document, let's say I will give comment change design page. So whatever the comment you want. The next one is about header. If you want to give a header to your document, you can see there are different templates available by scrolling up and down. Let's say select this retrospect heading. So already written the title Cecil Consulting, so it will appear to all of my pages as header. You can see this will appear as header to all of my pages. The next thing is the use about the footer page. Again, if you click on the footer page, there are a number of templates available. So if I click on this icon, let's see, I'll click if I want something at the bottom of the page, which is called footer, Cecil Consulting by Shazia Parveen. So this footer will appear at every page. You can see my header, Cecil Consulting, and the footer page. So we can see what is next. Next is if you want to give your document a page number, so you can select from here if you want page number at the left side, if you want a middle, if you want at the right side. If I'll click on that, you can see it gives me a page number. You can see the page, it will give you a page number to every page. If you want to give page number at the bottom of the page, you can use this key, bottom of the page. So it will give you lots of designs and styles. You can select from here. Or if you want to give a page margin, you can select from here. Or if you want a current position, let's say I'll click on that. So it will give me a style like that. So the next one is text box. If you want to insert a text box, if you want to insert a simple text box, you can select this one. If you want this style, if you want this style, so you can see a text box will appear like that. So now you can write whatever you want in your text box. So the next one is the quick parts. This is used auto text, document property. If you want abstract, author, category, comments, whatever company email, you can write your email, facts, keywords, managers, status, subject, title. So if I click on title, I can give my document a title, which is Cecil Consulting. So the next one is word art. If you want to change your word into a style, it will appear like that. Like I will write again my company name, Cecil Consulting. So it gives me a shadow effect. So this is the use of the word art. You can select whatever you want, or if you want to change its color, you can select from here. The next one is about the signature line. The signature line is used at the end of the document. Signature line, if you click on the signature line, signature signed, for example, my name, Shazia Parveen, signatures title, CEO, signatures email address, info at Cecil consulting.com, or if you want to give any instructions, you can give instructions, and then I'll click OK. You can see this signature line will appear. The next key is about the date and time. If you want to add date or time, you can select from the available formats like that, like that. Let's say you select English, US, UK, calendar type, Gregorian, Hijri, Mulkura, Gregorian. Okay, you can see it gives me date like that. If you want to add any object, let's say from Excel or from bitmap image, if I click on bitmap image, a new window will appear. Let's say I select this star sign. I'll resize. Yes. If you want to fill its color, its border color will change. If you want to change another color, it will be changed like that. So now I'll copy it. First, you need to save this image. Select all, copy, go to home page. This will appear like that. So if you want to give any mathematical equation, you can select from here. It will give you a mathematical equation. Let me take to you another empty page. So my computer is hanging. Let's wait for a few minutes. It's hanged, I guess. So this is the use of the insert menu and the tabs in the insert menu. So you can select from the equations. If you want any mathematical equations, you can select from equations, or if you want to add any symbols, you can select from here. So let's see. So thank you very much. This is all about the use of insert key. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Please share it with your friends and family, like, and please leave your comment if you like this video. Thank you.